Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to add a music bot to your Discord server step by step, so let's get started. First, open your browser and type Discord in the search bar, then press enter. Now click on the Open Discord button and log into your account if required. Once Discord opens, click on Discover and then click on Apps. Now in the search bar, type Greenbot and press enter. Click on the bot, then click on Add App. Scroll down and select your Discord server where you want to add the bot, then click on Continue. After that, click on Authorize and complete the verification process if needed. Once the bot is added successfully, click on the Go to your server button. Now open the general chat or any text channel and type /help then press enter. Select Commands and click on View Commands. To play music, type /play followed by your song name and press enter. After that, the bot will join the voice channel and your song will start playing automatically. Now you can enjoy music with your friends directly inside your Discord server using the music bot commands. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.